Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make Dubai chocolate. This luxurious confection features a unique blend of textures and flavors, combining smooth chocolate with a delightful crunchy filling. We will walk through each step, from preparing the crispy kadafi to molding your perfect chocolate bar. Get ready to create a truly special dessert right in your own kitchen. The heart of Dubai chocolate is its irresistible crunchy filling. First, take about 100 grams of kadafi pastry, which is shredded phyllo dough, and chop it into small pieces. Next, melt 3 tablespoons of butter in a skillet and toast the kadafi until it's beautifully golden and crispy, taking around 10 minutes. Then, mix this crunchy kadafi with about 190 grams of rich pistachio paste and 45 grams of tahini, adding a small pinch of salt to enhance the flavors. Now, let's create the perfect chocolate shell for your Dubai bar. Begin by melting about 400 grams of your preferred milk chocolate, ideally using a double boiler for a smooth consistency. For an artistic touch, you can melt a small amount of white chocolate, add a few drops of food coloring, and drizzle it into your chocolate bar molds. Then, pour enough melted milk chocolate to cover the bottom and sides of each mold, ensuring an even coating. Place the molds in the freezer for about 10 minutes to set this first layer. With your chocolate shell ready, it's time to add the delicious filling. Carefully spoon the crunchy kadafi and pistachio mixture into each chocolate mold, pressing it down gently to ensure it fills all the corners. Next, pour the remaining melted milk chocolate over the filling, creating a smooth top layer that seals everything in. Return the molds to the freezer for another 10 to 20 minutes, or until the chocolate is completely firm. Once set, carefully remove your stunning Dubai chocolate bars from their molds and enjoy.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.